Esta la situación, esta la situación, buscando where I belong.
Hey guys, it's Onausi. I didn't film an intro. I'll explain what this video is about. It's basically behind the scenes of organizing my jewelry and jewelry box. I have been sharing this type of content on my jewelry brand's Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Follow Eternidad brand if you're interested. I'm going to share a clip of my most recent reel. It's a before and after shot of my jewelry box. I first filmed before shots and then I filmed removing the jewelry pieces. Oh yeah, I vacuumed the box because it's that type of velvet material that dust sticks onto. Here I am placing the jewelry back. I store my jewelry in pouches and organize my rings and earrings separately in my jewelry box. I'm also going to share tips on how to store your jewelry on Eternidad's social media. The links will be down below. Go check it out if you're interested. Thanks. This is my setup. I already finished organizing my jewelry, my lighting, my camera. It's recording. So I'm basically gonna just finish up filming this. This is my stand that I organized as well, but it's pretty basic. All of the chains fit here. This is my jewelry right now. I'm wearing some right now. I have my earrings on and a chain, but other than that, this is what I have so far. The rest I actually put in a box instead of throwing out. I'm going to keep for inspiration for my jewelry brand. So that's really it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.